So you got a Bosch dishwasher and an E22 error code. What do you do? We're gonna solve this problem today. So first of all, what we're gonna do is just open it up. Take out the bottom rack. Hopefully yours is empty. If not, it's a little tougher to get that rack out. Then down here, we're just gonna rotate. Pretty simple. This piece comes up and you can see all kinds of nasty crud and some food and some hard water residue a little bit in there as well. And so we're gonna be cleaning in here. Take a toothbrush, we can clean around here, also wipe that out. But the filter here itself, we're gonna go ahead and clean this screen as well. But the filter here itself, just twist and that pops up. This you can see is very, very full of crud and some residue from the water here. And so what we're gonna do is actually put this one in some white vinegar. And you can do about 50-50 white vinegar and water here. We're gonna let that sit in there while we clean out the rest. And then take a toothbrush to that, that'll clean that right up. And we will get this dishwasher going again. Add a little bit of water there. We'll let that sit, then I'll flip that filter over in just a few minutes. While we're waiting on that, we're gonna go ahead and come down in here and just start to clean up some of this build up here. You can see it gets kind of on in all the cracks and crevices. And then we'll go ahead and clean this screen too while we're waiting. And while we're at it, I'm going to pour a little bit of vinegar down here in the drain as well. Just let that sit. So then we got it just sitting here in this vinegar water. I'm just gonna let it sit for a while and kind of scrub. This one is really, really dirty. They tell you to run a cleaner in your dishwasher with regularity. This one has not had one. I spent a lot of time working on this filter. It was really nasty, but now you can kind of see, you can at least see through it again. Probably would be good to replace this one, but we got it cleaned out. We used kind of a combination of vinegar. I actually took it out to the water hose and just sprayed through it for a while, and it held up pretty good to all this cleaning. And now we're gonna go ahead and reinstall it. Back down in here. And we had a piece of paper here stuck to the grate, so we're gonna go ahead and scratch that off too. Just try to remove any blockages in here. All right, got that cleaned out. Reinstalled. And there we have it. Clean dishes, no error. So cleaning the filter, cleaning the bottom there, was able to make this dishwasher work again. All right, so we went ahead and ran the dishwasher after cleaning it all out, cleaning the filter there and everything. And dishes are clean and fresh, no more error. So that solved our problem here with the Bosch dishwasher. If you've got that E22 code, This will solve your problem. Thanks for watching.